What is your favorite thing about the rainy season? The relief from the hot summer, playing in the water puddles, feeling the cool breeze, or maybe eating the snacks your mother makes? Do you like the smell that comes from the earth just when it begins to rain? Hi, how have you been? In this video, we'll be studying a poem titled Rain on the Roof, written by Coach Skinny. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We are covering many other stories and poems which you may like. Do check out the playlist after this video. Coach Skinny was an American lawyer, politician, journalist, and poet who wrote the poem Rain on the Roof. Want to read the poem? Let's begin. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in tiny tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their airheads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years gone, to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Now let's go over it line by line. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. Humid is something that contains a lot of moisture. Generally, the word humidity is used when talking about the environment. And guess what the speaker means by shadows? Clouds, maybe? Clouds cast a shadow on the ground too, right? So the moisture-filled clouds are hovering over the starry spheres, that is the starry night sky. The dark sky looks sad, is what he is saying when he says melancholy darkness, and the raindrops feel as if they are the tears of the sky falling down as the sky weeps. Can you imagine the image the poet is trying to paint through his words? The sky a giant sad face and tear-like raindrops pouring down from its eyes. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. He says that it feels like a blessing to lie on his bed, that is, press the pillow, inside his cottage chamber while listening to the soft sound of the raindrops falling on the roof. Cottage chamber here refers to his bedroom and the patter to the repeated tapping sound made by the drops. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their airthreads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. So, shingles are the roof tiles on which the rain is falling and creating a sound of that echoes inside the poet's hearts and dreams. The sounds lead him to think of many fancy, dreamy imaginations and create different dreams inside his mind. He starts to recollect, that is, remember many memories from his past. The memories weave together in the mind of the poet, as if the memories are like threads and they are forming a woof. A woof is a yarn or a fabric which is weaving inside the poet's mind. Reading on. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers as she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. In the last stanza, the poet tells us that he is remembering his mother who has passed away. He fondly remembers how, in the past, when she was alive, she used to look at her darling dreamers, that is, him and his siblings, when they were asleep. She would make sure to do that every night because she would then not be seeing them until the morning. He specifically remembers how his mother would watch over him in particular. These memories from the past, the memories of his mother, are evoked in his mind in the present when he hears the soft pattering sound of the rain falling on the shingles of the roof. What is your favorite memory of the rainy season? Do you have any questions about the poem? Let me know everything in the comments. If you like this one, subscribe, like, hit the bell. Do any one thing at least. It'll be nice. All three would be awesome. That's Researcher signing off.